Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your energy levels when you eat more protein? Carbohydrates, not protein, are the body's primary energy source from food. Protein does provide a small amount of energy and can serve as an alternative energy source when carbohydrates and fats are depleted. Protein intake supports long-term energy levels by promoting tissue and cell growth and repair. Protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and the production of enzymes and hormones that regulate bodily processes. While protein may not provide an instant energy boost like sugar or caffeine, consuming enough protein can support sustained physical and mental performance. Animal protein sources are considered complete proteins as they contain all 9 essential amino acids, while most plant-based proteins are incomplete. The recommended daily protein intake is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, but this can vary based on activity level. In addition to increasing protein intake, other ways to naturally boost energy include regular exercise, practicing healthy sleep habits, reducing caffeine and alcohol intake, and staying hydrated. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak